Today I want to introduce you to our Buddha Bowl, one of the regional items that we've added to our 2025 menu for all of the people and communities that we serve. Let's get cooking. We've got our drained and rinsed chickpeas. Gonna put a little olive oil, a little bit of our shawarma seasoning for our chicken, toss them around nicely and put these in a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes or until they get nice and crispy. Next, we've got our lemon tahini dressing. We've got about 2 ounces of tahini paste already in my container. I'm going to juice this lemon, 2 cloves of garlic here, a tablespoon and a half of some sugar, 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then I'm just gonna take my handy dandy stick blender, okay, to add a little bit more water just to get the right consistency. There you go, a nice smooth dressing